Hello Razorbacks, and welcome to our video awards presentation. With the challenges that we're facing in today's world, we felt this was the best way to still be able to honor our students and get their awards to them. I would just like to say how impressed I am with our faculty, with our staff, with our students, and with our community. Thank you for all that you've done, for all the challenges that you've faced and that you've overcome. Please enjoy the show. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm here to give the McBride Award. Before I do that, I just want to say we're so sorry we couldn't get to have our assembly and congratulate you in person. We hope this works instead. You will be getting certificates and plaques in the next couple weeks, so be on the lookout for those depending on the award you win. And I just wanted to say congratulations to all of you. You did a great job and you should be proud of yourselves. McBride Award is our 7th grade award. If you are an 8th or 9th grader, or have siblings, you've probably heard this before, but I did want to give some background information for those 7th graders and anyone that's not familiar. McBride Award is an award that's unique to Roy Junior High, and I'm going to give you a little bit of background. In March of 1993, Bill McBride, his 7th grade son Mitchell, and his brother Dennis were killed in an automobile accident in California. Bill had served our community in so many ways, from coaching and refereeing to helping with medical emergencies at both Roy Junior and Roy High. So it was decided after his death that we would give an award created in his memory. This award goes to 2 7th grade students, as this was the age Mitchell was when he passed away. So for over 20 years, I think it's probably close to 25 years, we've been giving this award to 2 7th grade students based on citizenship and behavior at our school. To even be nominated for this award is a huge honor. Each 7th grade teacher can pick one boy and one girl to nominate, and that's it. I know as a teacher of a million or a bunch of amazing 7th grade students, I wish I could nominate everyone, but you can only nominate 2. These are students who exemplify great citizenship. They're respectful of everyone else. They're pleasant to have in class. They're just great citizens. Once the nominations come in, all names are checked against school records, making sure that they qualify in all the areas. Then nominations go to the 7th grade teachers who vote for one boy and one girl to receive the final award. The final award is a plaque that you will be taken to your house. There's also a plaque in the school. It used to be in the library, but I guess with this new building, we'll have to see where it ends up. It has all the names of the winners for the past 25 years. So it's really cool that you'll be added to that list of very few students, considering how many students have gone through our school. Even to be nominated, you get a certificate, and you should be proud of yourself. This was hard to pick 2 people. The fact that some teacher thought of you when they thought of good citizenship is something to be proud of and celebrated. It's very difficult to narrow down, as you can imagine. So I'm going to read those students who were nominated, and like I said, you get a certificate in the mail in the next couple weeks. So our nominations this year are Kinley Sedgwick, Grace Reed, Allison Allred, Casey Rooks, Rebecca Russell, Ashley Roberts, Lauren Pittman, Isabella Hernandez, Sophia Aguayo, Kyra Vockler, Amber Yoakum, Kenzie George, Kaylee Krenendonk, and then our boys are Jared Gerke, Owen Jones, Lincoln Bell, Neil Curtis, Connor Robinson, Chris Johnson, Aiden Tatton, Boston Larson, Alexander Reeves, Rhett Slater, Trent Johnson, and Brendan Ellsworth. Congratulations, you guys, on being nominated. You should be very proud of yourself. At our normal assembly, we would have someone from the McBride family actually give the final award. Unfortunately, this year, we can't do that. But the McBride family does send you letters every year and keep in contact with you. Liz McBride is just so excited to hear about who won the award and get in contact with you. So be looking for that. We do have 2 winners after voting. Our 2 winners this year for the McBride Award are Grace Reed and Lincoln Bell. Congratulations, everyone who was nominated, and congratulations to Grace and Lincoln. You obviously are so amazing in the school, and we appreciate you.
This year's Cragun Citizenship Award winners are Ariana Dubin and Braxton Burton. Congratulations.
One more word from me. I also want to give or read the names of those who got a 4.0 all year. So that was just for the year for 7th, 8th, and 9th grade. You guys will get a certificate in the mail in the next couple weeks. Congratulations. That is no easy task. So we're going to start with our 7th graders. Our 7th graders with a 4.0 this year are Sophia Aguayo, Lincoln Bell, Braden Calvin, Nash Chaston, Brendan Ellsworth, Emily Isaacson, Jackson Morse, Elise Murrah, Aaron Painter, Ruby Polson, Grace Reed, Tegan Rainey, Reva Saunders, Aiden Tatton, Lindy Young. Congratulations. Our 8th grade winners are Lauren Ashby, William Child, Natalia Cruz Murcia, Ashton Hastings, Simona Hull, Stephen Jackson, Kaylin Smith, Zayden Sorensen, Kirsten Waite, Bryn Wardley, and Braden Wingett. And our 9th grade 4.0 students this year are Brendan Bailey, Gavin S. Barrett, Braxton Burton, Cambry Butters, Naya Casper, Kempton Christensen, McKinley Cragun, Ariana Duvin, Sarah Endicott, Justin Fulton, Ozzy Gentry, Dustin George, Regan Gibby, Sierra Jones, Lauren Miller, Ben Norda, Carter Rainey, Jackson Smith, Ashley Stoll, Quincy Strong, Creighton Trejo, Luke Tyler, and Cambry Wessler. Congratulations, everyone. Such hard work to be able to get that all year.
Next, we have our top department awards. For art, Kylie Searley. Band, Ian Wilder. Choir, Emma Tanner, Creighton Trejo. Language arts, Ivy Monroy, Cambry Wessler. Family and consumer science, Ozzy Gentry. German, Maisie Sweet Hollingsworth. Health, Kevin Ardon. Math, Tyson Ferguson. Music theater, Isaac Dunlap. Orchestra, Naya Casper. Physical education, Regan Gibby, Cassidy Slater. Social studies, Ben Norda. ESL, Ismael Arellano. Spanish, Gavin S. Barrett. Congratulations, guys.
Students, parents, friends, and family, it's with great pleasure that I'm reading you today the attendance awards for Roy Junior High. Lacey Anderson, Eric Campbell, Nayli Castillo Calderon, William Child, David Coley, Emma Davis, Sarah Endicott, Aiden Everett, Aspen Everett, Edgardo Guadarrama Jr., Isabella Hernandez, Esperanza Isaacs, Stephen Jackson, Garrett Jensen, Taylor Jensen, William Jensen, Judith McBride, Ryan Newen, Dylan Owens, Braxton Roosh, Gabrielle Snowball, Koda Sudika, Aiden Tatton, Hayden Taylor, Armani Thomas, and Kyra Vockler. Congratulations.
Okay, I also have our Top Scholar Awards. These are ninth graders who kept a 4.0 all 3 years that they were at Roy Jr. or wherever school they came from for every quarter. So this is quite an award. You do get a plaque, so be looking for that. I will be delivering that in the next couple weeks. Congratulations to these students. Keeping a 4.0 is not an easy job. It's not something that we don't recognize and appreciate. So our top scholars this year are Gavin S. Barrett, Braxton Burton, Cambry Butters, Kempton Christensen, Justin Fulton, Ozzie Gentry, Lauren Miller, Ben Nuorta, and Cambry Wessler. Congratulations, nice work.
Every year I have the pleasure of working with our student government, which is our officers and our cheerleaders. I get the privilege today of introducing you to our student body officers. This is our SBOs for this year. We have Braxton, and we have Sarah, and we have Gavin, and we have Luke. Let me tell you a little bit about each of them. Starting with Sarah here. Sarah is one of our student body vice presidents. She was a member of the German club. Here she is with Raz at Oktoberfest. She's also in our musical this year and didn't want this picture taken, apparently. She participated in our school's talent show. And the ninth graders lost a contest this year and had to get pied, so here she is with her dad getting pied. Sarah's slogan is love yourself, love everyone. She's a big supporter of the Hope Squad. This is one of her big causes, so that's Sarah for you. Next up we have Gavin. Gavin also, part of that contest, got pied and looked a little indignant here in this picture. Gavin was on our basketball team. He also represented Roy Jr. by being on Roy High School's golf team. He fell into some hard times and got into a gang of lumberjacks, as you can see here at Halloween time. But at school lunch week, he and these other two friends were redeeming themselves by singing The Single Ladies. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. That's Gavin for you. We have Luke here. Luke will go all out. He loved participating in our activities. He was not afraid to just get in there and get things done. He was at Oktoberfest, and if we zoomed in closely on his face, you'd see the root beer all over his face in the chugging contest, but he won, so there we go. Here he is about to be pied, and this is an extremely rare picture of him with his twin sister on Halloween. That's Luke for us. Braxton Burton was our student body president. Braxton's picture would not be complete without Mickey Mouse ears. He is a huge Disney fan. When he got pied, you can see he's wearing his Star Wars shirt with his Disneyland towel. He is a little bit Carl Fredrickson from Up here, as he's with his friends with Halloween. This is a non-Disney picture. We were at the Educators Rising event. He took second in state in children's literature. He wrote a book. And finally, here he is at our summer retreat, again with a Disneyland shirt on. But Braxton wasn't afraid to lead. Braxton's enthusiasm was very contagious, and he was really good about keeping the spirit of everybody up. So one other thing, I wanted to give a shout out to the rest of the team here. It's not just our SBOs that make this all work. It's all of our officers and a lot of hard work. So it's been my privilege to work with these guys this year. I love working with these kids, and I'm going to really miss them.
Hey Raisers, congratulations! These awards are all super awesome. Each one of them shows your dedication to our amazing school. I have been honored to serve you guys as your student body president this year. It has been amazing to see how all of you have grown yourselves into better, more confident people. I am very sorry this year had to end this way, but it is amazing to see how much we can do with technology. This situation isn't easy for anyone. You have all still continued to push through and show the tough stuff we Razorbacks are made of. You are the elite students at Roy Junior High. I congratulate you for all of your hard work, effort, and determination to do your best. Even amidst a global pandemic, our school has continued to push through. I can't think of a more unforgettable way to have this year end. I hope that you all can look back on this year's experiences and be proud of all that you have done. I am so honored to be able to know you all and, from my own home, celebrate all of your accomplishments. You have made Roy Junior High proud. We have definitely left our mark. Now let's continue to build the future. I miss you all so much, and I wish you the best of health. Thank you for all that you have done to make our school great. Stay safe, Razors.